Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you use an external keyboard with your Mac or you simply want more control over your keyboard shortcuts, there's a powerful free tool you should know about. It's called Karabiner Elements. With Karabiner Elements, you can remap almost any key on your keyboard, create custom shortcuts, change modifier keys, and even make your keyboard behave exactly the way you want. In this video, I will show you what Karabiner Elements is, how to install it, how to remap keys, and some useful ways you can customize your Mac keyboard. So let's get started. What is Karabiner Elements? Karabiner Elements is a keyboard customization utility designed especially for macOS. Normally, macOS gives you some basic options for changing keyboard shortcuts and modifier keys, but Karabiner Elements take this much further. You can change what individual keys do, swap keys between different keyboards, create complex modifications, and build custom keyboard behavior. For example, you could make the caps lock key behave like control, swap command and control turn a key into another key, or create a completely custom shortcut. And the best part is that it works at a very low level, which gives you much more control than the standard macOS keyboard settings. So let's download the Karabiner element first. Open the browser and search for Karabiner Elements Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the official website Karabiner Elements. Simply click on the link. Now you can see here the download versions. Just click on the arrow. Now choose your macOS version which suits your Karabiner Elements and then simply click on it. Then click on allow and you can see the download process has started and it is successfully completed. Now let's install Karabiner Elements. It's a DMG file. Now simply double click on the DMG file. Now you can see here the package file. Simply double click on it. Now you can see here the installer mode is open. This is our introduction. Click on continue. Then click on install. Then provide your Mac password here. Then click on install software. As you can see, the Karabiner Elements is installing on your Mac. Now let the installation to be done first. As you can see, the installation was successful. Just close this. Now open your launchpad. Now you can see here Karabiner Elements and Karabiner Event Viewer. Just open Karabiner Elements. Now we have to provide some permissions from privacy and security system. Just click on open privacy and security system settings. Now you can see here privacy. We are on the privacy category under security and privacy. On the left hand side you can see input monitoring. Just select input monitoring, then click on the lock. Provide your Mac password here, then click on unlock. Now just check these Karabiner Observer and Karabiner Event Viewer. Simply tick all of them, then close this. Now open Karabiner Elements again. Now close this pop-up. Now you can see here the interface of Karabiner Elements settings. Now the first category is simple modification for all devices. No product name, no manufacturer name. Apple internal keyboard. As you can see here, the devices are showing. If I want to add manually any device, just simply click on add item. Then from here, just add the device. And if you want to delete any device, just simply you can see here the bin icon, click on it. and then it will be deleted. Now let's come to function keys, the second category. Here you can see keys, what the keys do. Like F1 key, display brightness decrement, F2 key, display brightness increment, F3 mission control. And if you want to change the key setting, let's suppose F1 key is doing display brightness decrement, it is decreasing the display brightness. Just simply click on the arrow and from here just change the key, and that's it. It's very easy. You can do anything with the any keyboard from here, function keys. Now let's come to complex modification. From here we have to just add it first. Add predefined rule, add your own rule on the keyboard. What keys you want to make, what functions, everything. Then parameters. This is for timeout milliseconds. Now if it held down threshold milliseconds, you can just it is on by default, you can just increase or decrease it according to your preference. Scroll parameter, speed of the mouse or keyboard. Now the devices, again just choose the device from here and modify it according to your need. Then the virtual keyboard, you can see here you can edit any key from here. Then the profiles, how many users are using it. Then the UI of it, you can see here the changes from here. If you want to change the app icon, just select it here. If you want to change this and this, simply just select any one of them. Then the update, is there any update of the app or not, you can check it from here. Then the MISC, extra tool, open Karabiner multi-touch extension app. Okay, open coding folder. This is an extension of Karabiner Elements. Then you can see here uninstall. If you want to uninstall it, just simply click on launch uninstall and the Karabiner Elements will be uninstalled from your Mac. Then the log and the pro mode, you can see here. Then quit and restart. Quit Karabiner element, it will be quitted from your Mac. As you can see, it is removed from the menu bar as well. Now let's come to Karabiner event viewer. Now here you can see main text input test field. Press the key you want to investigate. Just simply press it. As you can see, I have clicked on spacebar. The keyboard and pointing events are showing here. You can see here down, spacebar, up, spacebar. Then frontmost application. You can investigate a bundle identifier in the file path of the frontmost application. Please switch to apps which you want to know bundle identifier. Okay. Then the variables, leave it, there is no need of changing anything. Then the devices, leave it as it is. System extension, no need of doing anything. And unknown events, showing events that are not supported by Karabiner Elements. And then these settings. Force event viewer to stay on top of other windows. Default off. It is by default off. If you want to show the Karabiner Elements in the top, just simply enable it. Show event viewer in all space. It is. I will suggest you that leave this Karabiner event viewer as by default. Do not change anything on it. Okay. Overall, Karabiner Elements is one of the most powerful keyboard customization tool available for macOS. It lets you remap keys, customize different keyboards, create advanced modifications, and build a keyboard setup that works exactly the way you want. And because there are so many customization options, you can start with something simple like changing caps lock to control and gradually explore the more advanced features. If you use a Mac with an external keyboard, Karabiner Elements is definitely an application worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more useful Mac apps and tutorials. Thank you for watching.